The universe has always been a place of wonder, a vast canvas of mysteries painted with stars, planets, and secrets we've only begun to unravel. But nothing captures the imagination quite like Jupiter, the gas giant that looms like a cosmic titan in our solar system. Its swirling storms, its enigmatic moons, its sheer breathtaking scale, it's a world that feels alive, pulsing with energy and secrets. And now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're seeing Jupiter in ways that make the heart race and the mind reel. Imagine this: a storm so colossal it could swallow Earth whole, wobbling like a living thing, breathing in and out as if it has a pulse. Picture auroras that dance with a ferocity we can barely comprehend, and moons that might hide oceans teeming with possibilities. This is Jupiter, and it's calling to us, whispering truths we're only beginning to understand. Let's dive into this story, a tale of a planet that's not just a distant speck in the sky, but a world of chaos, beauty, and mystery that's changing everything we thought we knew. The Great Red Spot, Jupiter's most famous feature, has been churning for centuries, a scarlet hurricane that's become the stuff of legend. It's a storm so massive it could fit 3 Earths inside it at its peak, with winds screaming at 425 miles per hour, tearing through the atmosphere with a fury that makes our fiercest tornadoes seem like a gentle breeze. For generations, we thought this beast was eternal, a permanent scar on Jupiter's face. But the James Webb Telescope, with its infrared eyes piercing through the planet's veil, has shown us something startling. The Great Red Spot is not the unyielding giant we imagined. It's shrinking, down from 24,000 miles across to a mere 10,000, still vast, but diminishing in a way that feels almost personal, like watching a titan grow weary. And it's not just shrinking, it's wobbling, swaying, almost dancing in Jupiter's turbulent skies. Sometimes it contracts, sometimes it expands, like it's breathing, alive with an energy we can't quite grasp. There are moments when pieces of the storm break off, red flakes drifting into the void, sparking whispers among scientists. Is the Great Red Spot dying? Or is it simply transforming, reshaping itself in a cosmic cycle we're only beginning to witness? This isn't just a storm, it's a window into Jupiter's soul. The James Webb Telescope's images, processed by citizen scientist Judy Schmidt from Modesto, California, reveal a planet that's far more dynamic than we ever dreamed. Judy's work turned raw data into breathtaking portraits of Jupiter, where every swirl of color tells a story. You can see the auroras at the poles, glowing with an otherworldly intensity, fueled by volcanic material spewed from Io, one of Jupiter's wildest moons. These aren't like Earth's auroras, soft and shimmering. They're fierce, powered by electrons slamming into the atmosphere with energies 30 times stronger than anything we see on our planet. In one image, you can make out a faint debris ring circling Jupiter, a delicate halo of dust and secrets. In another, the moons, tiny specks against the gas giant's grandeur, hint at their own tales of cosmic violence and hidden oceans. The clarity of these images is staggering, like seeing Jupiter for the first time, its chaotic beauty laid bare. The planet's atmosphere is a battlefield of forces, jet streams, gravity waves, internal heat, colliding and shaping a world that's anything but predictable. Jupiter's atmosphere is a place of contradictions, a dance of light and shadow, heat and cold. Near the equator, where sunlight is weak, only 4% of what Earth receives, we expected uniformity, a bland expanse of gas. But Webb's near-infrared spectrograph shattered that notion in July 2022. Above the Great Red Spot, it found a kaleidoscope of features, dark arcs and bright spots, like brushstrokes on a cosmic canvas. The blue areas sit lower, cooler, while the red regions tower higher, warmer, revealing a storm with layers and depth we never imagined. Scientists now believe gravity waves, ripples born deep in Jupiter's turbulent lower atmosphere, are sculpting this region, traveling upward to shape the upper atmosphere's structure. These waves are faint on Earth, but on Jupiter, they're a force of nature, molding the planet's very breath. And then there's the Big White Band, a massive cloud formation stretching 3,000 miles wide, racing across the equator at 320 miles per hour. It's a reminder that Jupiter's storms dwarf anything we know, moving with a power that humbles our own planet's tempests. But Jupiter's mysteries don't stop at its storms. Its moons, 92 of them, more than any other planet in our solar system, are worlds unto themselves, each with its own story. Take Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, bigger than Mercury and twice as massive as our moon. Recent images from the Juno probe, which has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016 after a 1.7 billion-mile journey, revealed something astonishing. About 4 billion years ago, Ganymede was struck by an asteroid 93 miles wide, 10 to 15 times larger than the one that wiped out the dinosaurs on Earth. The impact was so cataclysmic, it knocked Ganymede off its axis, altering its rotation and leaving a scar that's only now coming into focus. Most of the debris fell back into the crater, hiding it from view. But the evidence is there, etched in the moon's battered surface. Ganymede is a world of craters, a testament to its violent past, but it holds an even deeper secret. Beneath its icy crust, frozen solid at negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit, there's water vapor in its thin atmosphere, hinting at a vast ocean hidden below. Could this ocean harbor life? Scientists are planning new missions to find out, driven by the tantalizing possibility that Ganymede might hold clues to the origins of life itself. Then there's Io, the fiery rebel of Jupiter's moons. Covered in lava lakes and more than 400 active volcanoes, Io is a world of constant eruption, spewing material into Jupiter's magnetosphere. Juno's recent flybys captured 2 volcanic plumes, glowing against the moon's scarred surface, and revealed a massive volcano erupting with a force that defies imagination. Io's chaos doesn't just stay on its surface, it fuels Jupiter's auroras, creating electric currents that travel along the planet's magnetic field lines, generating lightning and glowing emissions that light up the poles. Every 27 minutes, Jupiter unleashes a burst of X-rays, triggered by its magnetic field interacting with solar wind and Io's volcanic outpourings. This dance of energy, this interplay between moon and planet, is a reminder of how interconnected Jupiter's system is, a cosmic symphony of fire, ice, and electricity. Jupiter's magnetic field is another marvel, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, stretching 725 million kilometers across the solar system. It's not just powerful, it's complex, originating in the northern hemisphere and re-entering near the South Pole, with a strange anomaly called the Great Blue Spot near the equator. This region, pulsing with magnetic intensity, fluctuates by up to 1% per year, hinting at forces deep within the planet we're only beginning to understand. Some scientists wonder if the Great Blue Spot and the Great Red Spot, sharing the same latitude, are linked in ways we can't yet fathom. Could the storm's wobbling, its shrinking, be tied to the magnetic chaos below? The Juno mission, extended through 2025, is racing to find answers, collecting data that might unravel this connection and reveal new mysteries about the gas giant. As we gaze at Jupiter through Webb's lens, we're not just seeing a planet, we're witnessing a world in motion, a place where storms breathe, moons bear scars, and auroras burn with an intensity that challenges our understanding. This is a story of a planet that's alive with change, a giant that's both protector and threat, a puzzle that's far from solved. And as we stand on the edge of this cosmic frontier, one question lingers. What else is Jupiter hiding, waiting for us to discover? Jupiter's mysteries unfold like a cosmic tapestry, each thread revealing a new layer of awe and enigma. The James Webb Telescope and the Juno probe have peeled back the planet's veil, exposing a world that's not just a distant giant, but a living, breathing puzzle. Its storms, moons, and magnetic fields pulse with energy. But beneath the surface, deeper secrets lurk, tugging at our curiosity. Let's journey further into this gas giant's heart, where the unexpected reigns and every discovery feels like a whisper from the cosmos. The Great Red Spot, that swirling titan of a storm, continues to captivate us. Its scarlet hue, once thought to be a sunburn from Jupiter's weak sunlight, might be something more complex, organic compounds lifted from the planet's depths, painting the storm with a rusty glow. But its shrinking size, now barely fitting one Earth, raises questions that chill the spine. Why is it fading? Juno's flybys in 2019 revealed the storm's depth, a staggering 500 kilometers, deeper than Earth's oceans, a pancake of chaos powered by atmospheric jets diving 3,000 kilometers into the planet. These jets, fueled by ammonia gas, move in ways we can't fully grasp, defying Earth's weather patterns. The storm's edges are fraying, with red flakes peeling away, some as large as entire countries. Scientists watch, breathless, as the Great Red Spot seems to teeter between collapse and rebirth. Could it vanish in our lifetime? Or might it merge with smaller storms, like the small red spot that formed in 2005 to create something new? The answer lies in Jupiter's chaotic atmosphere, where anticyclones dance and collide, scattering fragments into the void. Beyond the Great Red Spot, Jupiter's atmosphere is a symphony of contrasts. The Great Cold Spot, nearly as vast, chills the air 200 degrees cooler than its surroundings, appearing and vanishing like a ghost. Unlike the fiery red spot, this cold vortex is tied to Jupiter's auroras, born from the energy of charged particles slamming into the poles. These auroras, unlike Earth's fleeting northern lights, are relentless, fueled by Io's volcanic eruptions and the sun's distant reach. Juno's instruments caught electrons surging with 400,000 electron volts, creating X-ray bursts every 27 minutes as Jupiter's magnetic field tangles with solar wind. This interplay paints the poles with glowing footprints, tracing the paths of Io, Ganymede, and Europa. The Great Cold Spot, a swirling vortex of frigid air, reminds us that Jupiter's atmosphere is a battlefield of heat and cold, where every storm tells a story of cosmic forces at play. Jupiter's moons are no less mesmerizing. Io, the volcanic hellscape, spews plumes that feed the planet's auroras, its surface a canvas of lava lakes and molten fury. Juno's recent images captured a massive eruption, a reminder of Io's relentless energy. But Ganymede steals the spotlight with its hidden depths. Beneath its icy crust lies a potential ocean, vast and liquid, locked away in a world colder than any earthly winter. The discovery of water vapor in its atmosphere, detected by Hubble and confirmed by Juno, has scientists dreaming of life. Could microbes drift in those dark waters, or is Ganymede a frozen archive of the solar system's birth? New missions like the European Space Agency's JUICE probe, set to arrive in 2029, aim to drill into these secrets, searching for signs of habitability. Europa, another icy moon, joins the chorus with its own subsurface ocean, cracked ice surface hinting at a world beneath, waiting to be explored. Jupiter's magnetic field, a colossal force 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, is a mystery in itself. Stretching across millions of kilometers, it's a shield and a storm, shaping the planet's environment. The Great Blue Spot, a magnetic anomaly near the equator, pulses with strange intensity, fluctuating yearly. Scientists suspect it's linked to the Great Red Spot, a connection that could unravel the storm's wobbling dance. Juno's data, collected through 2025, shows a field that's not just powerful, but volatile, originating deep within the planet where liquid metallic hydrogen flows like a cosmic generator. This bizarre substance, formed under crushing pressures, conducts electricity like a metal, driving Jupiter's magnetic might. It's a reminder that Jupiter isn't just gas and storms. It's a world of alien physics, where the rules we know bend and break. The planet's role as the solar system's guardian is another layer of its story. Jupiter's gravity, once thought to shield Earth from comets, is a double-edged sword. It flings long-period comets away, like Shoemaker-Levy 9, which crashed into Jupiter in 1994, sparing Earth a catastrophic blow. But it also nudges asteroids from the belt between Mars and Jupiter, sending some toward our planet. Lexell's comet in 1770, redirected by Jupiter's pull, passed a mere million miles from Earth, a cosmic near miss. New simulations show Jupiter's mass is a delicate balance, too small, and it would destabilize comets without ejecting them, increasing Earth's risk. Its gravity shapes the asteroid belt, preventing a new planet from forming, but also scatters debris inward, raising the odds of collisions. Earth's history, from water delivery to mass extinctions, may owe much to Jupiter's influence, a protector and a threat woven into our planet's story. Water, too, flows through Jupiter's tail. The Galileo spacecraft in 1995 first detected water vapor in the planet's atmosphere, a mere 0.25%, but vast in Jupiter's immense scale. Juno's recent data pinpointed water in the Great Red Spot, hinting at a reservoir larger than Earth's oceans. This water fuels lightning 100 times brighter than ours, flashing in clouds where ammonia acts as antifreeze, melting ice into droplets that collide and spark. These mush balls, heavy with ammonia and water, plunge deep into the atmosphere, carrying secrets of Jupiter's chemistry. Understanding this water is key to unraveling the planet's formation, as the first world to coalesce from the solar system's primordial gas and dust. Every drop tells a story of a young cosmos, of a giant that shaped the worlds around it. As we peer deeper, Jupiter's core emerges as a final enigma. Once thought to be a rocky heart, new Juno data suggests it's a diffuse blend, only 18% rock, swimming in liquid metallic hydrogen. Pressures here dwarf Earth's, with temperatures hotter than the Sun's surface, turning hydrogen into a fluid that conducts like metal. This core, possibly 45 times Earth's mass, drives the planet's magnetic field, a dynamo of unimaginable power. Scientists at the University of Rochester recreate these conditions with lasers, compressing materials to mimic Jupiter's depths, but the core remains elusive, a mystery wrapped in a planet that defies our understanding. Jupiter's saga is a cosmic epic, a tale of a planet that refuses to be tamed or fully known. Its swirling storms, scarred moons, and pulsating magnetic fields have drawn us in, revealing a world of chaos and wonder through the eyes of the James Webb Telescope and Juno probe. But as we stand on the threshold of understanding, new questions emerge, pulling us deeper into the gas giant's enigma. Let's venture into the final chapter of this story, where Jupiter's mysteries challenge our place in the cosmos and whisper of truths yet to be uncovered. The Great Red Spot, Jupiter's iconic storm, remains a riddle wrapped in scarlet. Its shrinking form, now a shadow of its former glory, stirs unease. Could this ancient tempest, older than human history, vanish within decades? Juno's data paints a storm driven by deep atmospheric jets, fueled by ammonia and stretching 500 kilometers down, a churning beast that defies Earth's physics. Yet, its edges fray, shedding red flakes into Jupiter's turbulent skies. In 2017, astronomers spotted a hook-shaped cloud peeling away, a sign of the storm's struggle against an unseen force. Computer models suggest this is natural. Anticyclones like the Great Red Spot attract smaller storms, merging or shattering in a cosmic dance. The small red spot, born from merged vortices in 2005, hints at what might replace it. Will the great red spot fade, or will it reborn, reshaped by Jupiter's restless atmosphere? The Hubble telescope's recent data shows winds speeding up by 8% since 2009, a sign the storm's heart still beats fiercely, refusing to surrender. Jupiter's atmosphere is a canvas of extremes. The great cold spot, a frigid vortex rivaling the red spot size, flickers in and out of existence, tied to the planet's relentless auroras. These polar lights, powered by Io's volcanic fury and solar wind, burn with an intensity Earth could never match. Juno's sensors captured X-ray bursts every 27 minutes, electrons surging with energies that dwarf our planet's auroras. The Great Blue Spot, a magnetic anomaly near the equator, pulses with a strange rhythm, its fluctuations hinting at a connection to the red spot's wobbling dance. Could these phenomena, sharing the same latitude, be entwined in Jupiter's core, where liquid metallic hydrogen flows like a cosmic engine? This bizarre fluid, born under pressures hotter than the sun's surface, drives a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, stretching across the solar system. Juno's mission, extended through 2025, hunts for clues, but the planet guards its secrets tightly. The moons of Jupiter, 92 and counting, are worlds of fire and ice, each a story of cosmic drama. Ganymede, the solar system's largest moon, bears scars from a 4-billion-year-old asteroid strike, its axis tilted by a collision that reshaped its fate. Beneath its icy crust, water vapor hints at a hidden ocean, sparking dreams of life. Europa, with its cracked ice shell, promises another subsurface sea, a target for future probes like NASA's Europa Clipper, launching soon. Io, the volcanic rebel, erupts with plumes that feed Jupiter's auroras, its lava lakes a testament to relentless energy. Recent Juno images revealed a massive volcano, its glow a beacon in the dark. These moons, orbiting a giant that doesn't orbit the sun, but a shared center of gravity, remind us of Jupiter's dominance. Its mass, 317 times Earth's, pulls the sun itself into a subtle dance, a cosmic waltz around a point just above the solar surface. Jupiter's role in our solar system is as complex as its storms. Long hailed as Earth's shield, it flings comets like Shoemaker-Levy 9 into oblivion, sparing us their wrath. Yet, its gravity stirs the asteroid belt, nudging rocks toward Earth as Lexell's comet nearly struck us in 1770. New simulations reveal a delicate balance. Jupiter's mass clears threats, but also scatters debris inward, shaping Earth's history. Water, perhaps delivered by such impacts, flows through Jupiter's story too. Juno found water in the Great Red Spot, a fraction of the atmosphere but vast in scale, fueling lightning brighter than Earth's and hail-like mushballs that plunge into the depths. This water, locked in a planet that formed first from the solar system's primordial dust, holds clues to our origins, a mirror to the cosmos's birth. Deep within Jupiter, the core remains a phantom. Once thought rocky, it's now seen as a diffuse mix, mostly liquid metallic hydrogen, a substance alien to Earth. Under crushing pressures, hydrogen transforms into a fluid that conducts like metal, powering the planet's magnetic field. Scientists mimic these conditions in labs, but the core's true nature eludes us, a final frontier in a world that defies easy answers. Jupiter's rapid 10-hour rotation amplifies this dynamo, creating a magnetic shield that spans millions of kilometers, a force that shapes its moons and storms. Jupiter's influence reaches beyond its orbit, touching Earth's fate. Every 405,000 years, its gravity, alongside Venus, nudges our climate, bringing harsh winters and scorching summers. We're midway through this cycle, and any shift in Jupiter's behavior, like the Great Red Spot's decline, could ripple to us. Astronomers call Jupiter the solar system's vacuum cleaner, swallowing asteroids that might threaten Earth. But its power is a double-edged sword, a reminder of our fragility in a cosmos ruled by giants. As we gaze at Jupiter, its story feels personal. The James Webb Telescope's breathtaking images, enhanced by citizen scientists like Judy Schmidt, show a planet alive with change, storms that breathe, moons that dream of life, auroras that burn with cosmic fire. Juno's final orbits, ending in 2025, will send back more secrets, while future missions to Ganymede and Europa promise to probe deeper. Jupiter challenges us to look up, to wonder, to question our place in a universe vast and untamed. Is the Great Red Spot's fade a sign of a planet in transition, or a cycle we're only beginning to understand? Could its moons harbor life, rewriting our story? As we stand on this cosmic shore, Jupiter's voice echoes, urging us to keep exploring, to chase the mysteries that make our hearts race and our minds soar.